So on my list of things to do again in the near future, this is not on it. Not at the bottom, it's not on it at all. So, it's 3:30 in the morning. I find myself out here in the shelter. I'll be taking the Monster's batteries out today and taking them to a battery shop in a neighboring town. Get professionals to check them out, see what's wrong with them. And the reason I'm doing it at 3:30 in the morning is because I haven't been feeling good today. And I've kind of been procrastinating, not wanting to come out into the cold, but it's got to be done. That dropping is what I was trying to avoid. That was unexpected. I can't lift the battery straight up because the seat post is in the way here and this body panel is in the way here. So I don't know if you can see the battery holder there. It looks like they slide straight forward. Now, there's a screw here, but it looks like it's screwed from the inside too, so how the heck do I get this front panel off? Oh. They never make things easy. Okay, 2 things, 3 things, I'm exhausted. Okay, I don't know if that's water down there, or if that's battery acid, but I'm hoping it's water. Apparently taking the top screw out is all I needed to do. I didn't need to take this one out. There's one underneath, but I can't get to it because there's a nut in the way. But I have noticed there is rust underneath of it already, just from that little bit of salt that we've already had. And the other thing I noticed, brand name on here, MK Power, and if the camera will reach, way over here on my ES 950, as I fall onto it, is the same battery. Obviously not the same size, not the same power. These are only 40 amp hour. And the Monster is 79 amp hour. So they're obviously, it looks like, you know, twice the size. But this is the battery that's leaking. This terminal right here. So I'm guessing this is the one that's got the problem. But I'm gonna take them both in anyways. Oh my goodness, I'm actually sweating. Okay, both batteries are out, ready for testing. Wow, I don't want to do that too often. I swear they're heavier than the batteries I put on the back of here, and they're bigger. So if you wonder why I put the wires back together, I get so light here. External batteries are still connected. Wired them back up so that my panel doesn't lose the memory. I want to keep all the information on the kilometers that I've traveled and that. So I like to keep that. So I stick it all together for now. Wrapped in my electrical tape just to keep them from touching anything and going gazap. Or my luck, boom, or fire. So, I'll get these tested and I'll let you know what happens. So, had an interesting development. Took the batteries in today to the battery expert. And all he did was load test them. He said they're fine. The ES950, when the batteries were going in it, the tech guy came in, he tested them, and they tested fine at that time, but because they're 5 years old, he replaced them anyways, and I never had a problem after that, so there was definitely something wrong with the batteries. So I'm assuming the same thing's happening here. I am very pissed off at the moment, and the reason I am is because the battery guy told me these batteries are 10 years old, according to the date code. I bought these brand new with the scooter, because the scooter, when you buy them, it doesn't come with the batteries, you have to buy them separately. And they're supposed to be brand new batteries. Apparently they're not. So I can't test them, because if you notice all these little glue spots here, and make sure that it hasn't been tampered with. So I can't even check to see if the cell is low in acid, like I think it is. So what I'm going to do is, first thing on Monday, I'm going to call up the company and tell them what I'm seeing here and what I've been told, and kind of go from there. Now, what upsets me is, because I put the trailer hitch on the back, it voided the warranty on the scooter, which is fine. I would argue that if I needed to, but I don't care. I expected that. But because the batteries were bought separate from the scooter, they should still have their own warranty. There's a 1-year warranty on these batteries when you buy them. For whatever reason, they're including the battery warranty with the scooter, so the scooter warranty is void, so therefore the battery warranty is void. That, I don't agree with that. So I'm going to contact the battery company first. I'm going to take some pictures of the date codes and everything and see what I can see. And if I don't get anywhere with that, then I'm calling up the company that I bought the scooter from, because they know that these have been leaking from day one. So I'm not happy right now, because I gotta put these back in the Monster. I'm not gonna drive it the way it is, because with all the weight up top here, with me sitting on it and that, it's gonna be a stability issue. So I gotta put them in, get the weight back down to bottom, and then probably take them out again at another point. So here we go. So on my list of things to do again in the near future, this is not on it. Not at the bottom, it's not on it at all.